Why surface preparation is important in power washing. Proper surface preparation forms the cornerstone of successful power washing outcomes. This preliminary step is pivotal in ensuring the efficacy and uniformity of results. By meticulously cleaning the surface prior to power washing, the removal of loose dirt and debris sets the stage for the equipment to target more ingrained stains effectively. This strategic approach enhances the overall efficiency of the process. Moreover, the removal of potential obstacles not only fosters safety during the power washing procedure, but also prevents inadvertent damage to both the surface under treatment and the equipment in use. This preventive measure minimizes the risk of accidents and reinforces the longevity of the cleaning equipment. So, from dirt elimination to safety enhancement, surface preparation prior to power washing significantly influences the final outcome. With every obstacle removed, the canvas for a pristine and transformational clean is set. Do you want to experience the magic of power washing? Give us a ring today to discuss your power washing needs. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.